Assalamu alaikum students, I am Gudan Frawley, your chemistry tutor, and welcome to MDCAT Chemistry Crash Course. And today we are going to discuss some important MCQs of chapter Fundamental Principles of Organic Chemistry. And our first question is which of the following compound is not a heterocyclic aromatic compound? So what is a heterocyclic aromatic compound? The compound that consists of a heteroatom. Option is the pyridine, beta is the thiophene, Charlie is pyrrole, delta पे phenol. So the question is which of the following compound is not a heterocyclic aromatic compound? कि जो heterocyclic aromatic compound नहीं है. तो फर्स्ट में देखिए अल्फा पे हमारे पास pyridine and this is the structure of pyridine. बीटा पे है thiophene, this is thiophene. चार्ली पे है pyrrole, this is pyrrole. एंड डेल्टा पे है हमारे पास फिनोल, डेल्टा पे हमारे पास फिनोल. So which of the following is not a heterocyclic aromatic compound? तो देखिए pyridine, it consists of a nitrogen atom, and the thiophene consists of a sulfur atom, and the pyrrole consists of a nitrogen atom, and these are all the heteroatoms. What are heteroatoms? The atoms other than carbon atoms are called heteroatoms, that are the nitrogen, sulfur, oxygen. So here it consists of nitrogen, it consists of sulfur, and it consists of nitrogen, while the phenol does not consist of any heteroatom. So it is not a heterocyclic compound. The question is not a heterocyclic aromatic compound. So these all three are the heterocyclic compounds. How they are aromatic compounds? According to the Huckel's rule, if a molecule is planar and there is complete conjugation, if the compound is planar and there is complete conjugation and it consists of 4n plus 2 pi electrons, then the compound is aromatic according to the Huckel's rule. According to the Huckel's rule, the compound is aromatic if it is planar, complete conjugation, consists of 4n plus 2 pi electrons. तो फर्स्ट देखिए pyridine में देखें, pyridine का जो ये लोन पेयर है ये आउट ऑफ द प्लेन है. जो p ऑर्बिटल्स हैं हमारे पास रिंग के और ये लोन पेयर है ये एक दूसरे के परपेंडिकुलर है. दैट्स वाई ये कॉन्जुगेशन में पार्टिसिपेट नहीं करता. वाइल द रिमेनिंग पाई इलेक्ट्रॉन्स delocalize and there is complete conjugation in the pyridine and it consists of 6 pi electrons. It is a planar molecule, complete conjugation consists 6 pi electrons. So the alpha pyridine is a heterocyclic aromatic compound. Beta पे thiophene, thiophene consists of a sulfur atom, it means it is a heterocyclic compound. How is it aromatic? The lone pair of sulfur participate in delocalization like this. So it is a planar molecule, there is complete conjugation and it consists of 6 pi electrons. So it is also a heterocyclic aromatic compound. And this is pyrrole, it consists of a nitrogen as a heteroatom and the lone pair of nitrogen participate in delocalization and there is complete delocalization. It is a planar molecule, consists of 6 pi electrons. So according to the Huckel rule, it is aromatic compound. So alpha, beta and Charlie are the heterocyclic aromatic compound. Why the phenol? Phenol is not a heterocyclic aromatic compound because it does not consist of a heteroatom, but the phenol is non-benzenoid aromatic compound. It is a non-benzenoid aromatic compound. ये एक non-benzenoid aromatic compound. If the benzening consists of a functional group, like in this case the functional group is hydroxyl group attached to the benzening, that's why it is a non-benzenoid aromatic compound. So pyridine, thiophene, pyrrole are the heterocyclic. These are the heterocyclic aromatic compounds. These are the heterocyclic aromatic compounds, while the phenol is non-benzenoid aromatic compound. Phenol is non-benzenoid aromatic compound. So our delta is the right answer. The phenol is not a heterocyclic aromatic compound. The second question is, which of the following compound is alicyclic hydrocarbon? Alicyclic hydrocarbons are such hydrocarbons in which the ring consists of 3 or more than 3 carbon atoms and they resemble with the aliphatic हाइड्रोकार्बन. ऐसे हाइड्रोकार्बन जिनके अंदर जिसके अंदर रिंग में 3 या 3 से ज़्यादा कार्बन एटम्स प्रेजेंट और वो हेलीफैटिक हाइड्रोकार्बन से रिजेंबल करे, ऐसे कंपाउंड्स को हम एलिसाइक्लिक हाइड्रोकार्बन्स कहते हैं. और इनका जो जनरल फार्मूला होता है वो होता है CnH2n. CnH2n. सो अब अल्फा इज साइक्लोहेक्सेन. अल्फा इज साइक्लोहेक्सेन and beta is benzene, Charlie is isobutane, this is the isobutane, and delta is neopentane. The question is, which of the following compound is alicyclic hydrocarbon? So according to the formula CnH2n, the number of carbon atoms 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, C4, 6, H12. So this is the formula of cyclohexane. So cyclohexane is a alicyclic hydrocarbon, while benzene is aromatic hydrocarbon, because aromatic compounds are such compound that consist of at least one benzene ring, and the isobutane and neopentenes are the branched chain hydrocarbons. These are the branched chain hydrocarbons. अल्फा पे साइक्लोहेक्सेन, बीटा पे बेंजीन, चार्ली पे आइसोब्यूटेन, डेल्टा पे न्यूपेंटेन. अल्फा इज द साइक्लोहेक्सेन. सो साइक्लोहेक्सेन इज अ alicyclic hydrocarbon. Benzene is aromatic compound. Isobutane and neopentane are the branch chain hydrocarbons. So which of the following is the alicyclic hydrocarbon? So alpha is the right answer. Cyclohexane. Cyclohexane is a alicyclic hydrocarbon. So this is all about the some important MCQs of fundamental principles of organic chemistry.